Hi there, students. Meta and Metaverse. Well, I don't know if you noticed, but recently they said that Facebook is going to change its name to Meta, or at least that's what Mark Zuckerberg said. So I think we should look at these words Meta and Metaverse. Well, meta on its own is something that refers to itself, something that's written or performed. So a meta joke would be a joke about jokes, yeah? Something that refers to itself. We also use meta very often as a prefix. So, for example, metamorphosis, the metabolism. Okay, this means changing, involving change, or something outside the normal limits, a meta language, a specialized form of a language used for describing a language. So, for example, shorthand, yeah, where you write things down, a secretary might write things down very quickly. Okay, so meta. And then the metaverse. Well, I quite like this word, the metaverse, and I think this is what they are that Facebook is aiming at. The metaverse was a phrase first used by Neil Stevenson, who writes science fiction books, and he talked about a metaverse where reality has all sorts of augmentations from the internet. So if you're walking around a city, you see a building, and then suddenly from internet you see a whole series of different pieces of information about that on your mobile phone. But I would imagine you could put that into somebody's head as well. And this is the idea of meta. Or you go to the football match, and when you look at a particular player, you can see him. Suddenly you get all sorts of information about him, information during the game or information about his past. Yeah? Or you look at a certain area of the pitch and you get a replay of what happened there. So a metaverse, it's like a joining of the reality around us with added information and added things coming from internet. Okay, so it's like the convergence of virtual reality and real physical reality. You look down a street and you suddenly internet shows you what the different shops sell, or even advertisements for these different shops. And this is the idea of a metaverse. Yeah, you could also use the word a metaverse to talk about a composite, a joining together of various different universes, a multiverse. And if you think about about it, the joining of internet and the reality we see around us, this is definitely a joining of two different realities together. And this is the idea of the metaverse, and I'm sure this is why Facebook are changing their name to Meta. They want to be part of the metaverse. Okay, so this metaverse, it's joining of different reality with technology, with computers, and this is meta or metaverse. So how formal is this? Poof, I don't know. I think I would give it for the moment a 5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere, but if you use it, you may well have to explain what it means. Okay, so now you know what the metaverse is. Do you think the metaverse will be good for you? I can see it coming. It's already coming. You walk down the street and suddenly your mobile phone is giving you information about that area. These two things are joining very close together. or you go to a certain place, a Pokemon gym, yeah, where you can then play Pokemon, but only in that place. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Meta and Metaverse.